Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig. Today I have a Fab Fit Fun unboxing for you. For those of you that don't know how Fab Fit Fun works, basically you pay $49.99 and you get over $200 worth of products. Comes every quarter, so like every 3 months or every season. And I 100% think that Fab Fit Fun is worth the money. I've got a lot of my favorite products from this box, so I'm down for it. So without further ado, let's unbox. So I have seen like all the previews on Instagram and I'm super excited for this. There's two things in particular that I'm super excited for and hoped I got, but I don't know for sure, so we will see. But I thought mine was never gonna come. I thought I like accidentally canceled it or something because I kept seeing the Instagram preview and I was like, where's my Fab Fit Fun box? Here it is. You guys. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with a little newspaper just to tell you about all the products. I really like this. I actually read this. And then we'll have the inside of the box. I can see some products. So the first thing that I see is one of the things that I was super excited for. It's the Luna Faux Purple. It's this Ferrero Luna Smart Beauty Coach Facial Cleansing Brush. So it's this brush. With this product, you get an app, like you download an app onto your phone, and it measures your skin moisture, reveals your skin's age, customizes cleansing routine, and it records your progress. So that's really exciting. I'm really excited to try this because I just threw away my Clarisonic because I was just like, this thing's old. It's kind of dirty. I know you can change the brush head, but I just felt like the whole thing was dirty. So I did throw away my Clarisonic. So I'm so glad I got this, and I am going to hook it up to the app and use it. So hopefully that'll help me keep myself more accountable for washing my face, because I told y'all in the past, like, I get to a point where my skin looks good and I'm like, who needs to wash their face? So let me know if y'all want just like a full in detail review of this, because I think this is so cool. Next, we have the Tarteist Pro To Go Tarte Palette. Let's see, I want to see the inside. I'm so glad to be getting more Tarte stuff because I just don't have that much. It's kind of pricey. I really want it, but it's just pricey, and I'm like, but I could go to Marshall's. Tarteist Pro To Go Tarte Palette. Okay, so it has some purples, goldish browns. Next, I see a Kula Classic Sunscreen Moisture Hydrant Organic Sun Care. Oh my gosh, I wish I had this when I went to the beach, but I didn't. Oh, this is so cute. It's white tea moisture hydrator classic face vision sport. So it's just a sunscreen but also a hydrator, which is actually really convenient because you know when it's hot outside, your face dries out really fast. At least mine does. I don't know about your face. I'm not all up in your business, but mine does, so that's cool. Next, we have a Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is the eyeliner that I already use. I already use this eyeliner and I love it, so this one's different. The one I use is like a pencil and this one is like felt. So it's not the same eyeliner. I didn't realize that there were two different ones of the same thing, but maybe I'll like this one just as much. I hope so. And look at the little kitty on the lid. So that's super cute. And next, Pier 1 Imports. Let's see here. Ooh, something is bubble wrapped. Oh, okay. So we have like this little dish. This is so cute. It's like marble and rose gold. This matches my house so well. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I'm definitely going to put it somewhere. Oh, this is so cute. Next, we have, I think this is a wallet. I guess so. Minor history. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I don't know what this is, and also it's annoying. Like, this is like really hard to open. If this is a wallet, I would never use it because you would be so embarrassed standing at the register forever trying to open this thing. Let me look in the newspaper. Yes, it is a minor history postscript wallet. It's for a tip. Heading to the hotel pool, keep your room key and some cash in this wallet and you're good to go. It is worth $20. So, I don't think I want this. It's weird and inconvenient, but I got it. So, out of everything so far, we've seen one thing that I didn't want. Next, we have the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel Cream Exfoliator Advanced Skincare. Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Me. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. Well, that's really good because I've been working like 10 days in a row every time before I get an off day. And let me tell you, you can tell when you look at my skin. You can really tell. This doesn't really have a smell, but I'm super excited to try this. Ooh, I see something else. Next, we have the Jabonia Hawaiian Black Body Caviar with Charcoal. What do you do with this? It's a oil and salt body scrub. Will truly revolutionize your skin. We welcome you to a new level of luxurious and moisturizing pampering. This stuff feels heavy. Oh my gosh, this stuff feels expensive. Ooh, whoa. I want y'all to see the inside of this, but I do not want to spill this all over the carpet. This is weird. It's like oily and goopy, and this container is like really heavy. Like, it feels so heavy. Hydrating body scrub. I'm really excited to try this. Like, really excited to try this. And last but not least, this is another thing that I saw in the Instagram preview and I was so excited for. It is a makeup bag. I have almost bought one of these makeup bags in this shape so many times this summer, but I've seen them in the Fab Fit Fun box. I'm like, but I'm supposed to be getting a Fab Fit Fun box and I should be getting one. And finally, I got it after I don't have any more trips planned, but still, there's always next time, right? So it just has like this top pocket up here. Oh, it has a coupon. A gift for you. Enjoy $50 off your purchase of $200 at yumakin.com. I probably won't be using that, so if y'all want to use that, the code is capitalized FabFitFun50. It expires December 31st, 2018 and cannot be combined with any other offer, but y'all feel free to use that because I won't, because I'm cheap. There's like this zipper area up here. And then right here you have like this pocket for your brushes with this little plastic area to keep them clean. And then you have your bottom pocket, of course, which is nice and big and has room for all of your makeup essentials. Okay guys, so that is everything I got in my Fab Fit Fun box. I'm super excited. The only thing that I don't really care for is this weird wallet thing. So yeah, that's it. I'm super excited to try out this Ferrero Luna Fofo Smart Beauty Coach Facial Cleansing Brush. Let me know if y'all want like a full review of this after I've used it for like a month, or if you want to see anything that has to do with this, because I think it's really cool how it just like goes to your skin and measures all that stuff with the app, and you can see it on your phone and stuff. So just let me know what you think, and yeah, let me know. Comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel. If you'd like to keep seeing me, then please hit the subscribe button. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.